So now that the lid fits into the area that was designated for it, I've cut it off the back, and I'm going to go ahead and trim the lid itself. First, make sure that it's nice and on center. You might have to reposition it a little bit. Then take your ribbon tool and just clean that up. There's a lot of extra clay in that to work with to get the shape that you need. So now that I've got the shape that I'm looking for, I'm going to go ahead and take a little ball of clay, my scoring tool, which has multiple needles. I'll score the center of this lid and get it pretty wet. And then I'll score the bottom of this little ball and position it on top. Now next I'm going to show you how to throw this into the shape of a knob.